Linda, all I want to know, I just have a question. Did you see this? We found it, honey. The beef tallow. Now, let me tell you about beef tallow. Beef tallow is good to make savory dishes. It's good for high heat. Okay, so when you cooking, it has a very savory flavor to it. This is $1.50. Honey, I could not make this up. Dollar Tree is now carrying a beef tallow. Now, when I seen this, I said, oh, no way, Jose. Yes, honey. Beef tallow. Now, one of the amazing things about beef tallow, now, I know beef tallow on TikTok shop, okay? The great thing about beef tallow, some beef tallows, they make lotions out of it. They make oils out of it. Yes, honey. If I'm lying, honey, I am flying. This is a steal deal like Holyfield. You remember back in the day you would go to your granny house and she would have all of the magnets, right? Honey, that fridge would be covered in magnets. Now, Dollar Tree has the Mickey Mouse magnets, but they have much more where that came from. Check this out. So they have the Mickey Mouse, they have the Minnie Mouse, Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles, also have the SpongeBob SquarePants. Child, they fancy. Because we just fancy like that. Fancy items at Dollar Tree. Ooh, I can almost assure you, you're going to like this video. Make sure you guys comment, like, subscribe, and also hype. Check this out. Linda, all I want to know, I just have a question. Did you see this? Hey, good looking. Honey, when I tell you Dollar Tree got some steal deals like Holyfield, and we just out here moving our feet to the beat out in these Dollar Tree streets. Check this out. Honey, it is the shower steamers for me. This is a 4-pack, blueberry and lavender, Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles. Now, they also have SpongeBob SquarePants. This one is pineapple scented. Ooh, child, I like that. They also have Patrick. Child, looky. Let us know, would you guys purchase this? This is $1.25. I love it. Now, this next item, if you're looking for something that is going to last you for a whole year at Dollar Tree, look no further. Honey, it is this lusty. Now, this thing is as big as I don't know what, honey. This is the olive oil styling gel. Excellent, it says, for natural hair, $1.25. Is this a steal deal like Holyfield? I don't know. Remember back in the day, Purple Rain by Prince? If you're not a Prince fan, I just don't know what's wrong with you. Now, Dollar Tree has not Purple Rain, but White Rain. Now, this is the anti-frizz conditioner. It has things in here like keratin. It also have collagen, argan oils, $1.25. Honey, let me know in the comment section. Did you guys see this? They are just showing out. This is the geranium plus rose facial oil at Dollar Tree. You see this packaging? Fancy. In a glass bottle. Ooh, I like that. $1.25. Now, they don't only have that, but they also have the moisturizer to refresh your face, $1.25. So when I tell you Dollar Tree definitely didn't come here to play, facial sheet mask, the Princess Way, vanilla rose scented infused with hyaluronic acid, Disney, ooh, $1.25. Now, honey, Sugarfoot, if you thought that was something, how about the Moana facial sheet mask? And this is cute, you know, to have a girls' night with your little ones. This is so fancy. Hibiscus coconut scented infused with hyaluronic acid, $1.25. Now, Dollar Tree is carrying sugar hibiscus hand cream. This is called Amber Glow, $1.25. Family, did you guys see these? Ooh. All right, so Dollar Tree has these gorgeous shower curtains. Yes, honey, it's the shower curtains that's looking like Home Goods product. Okay, all right. Now, these are $7. They have like 5 different ones. Really, really cute. Did you guys happen to see these shoe bags at Dollar Tree? Now, you get 1 shoe bag. This is really good for traveling. $1.25. Do you mind if I show you something, honey? Ooh, child. Okay, I gotta walk away. Honey, it is Tupac for me. Child, who is behind these posters? Let us know in the comment section. Would you guys purchase this? This is fancy. They have so many different posters. The Nightmare. Oh, this Coraline. Now, my 2 daughters, Jada and Amani, they will watch Coraline over and over and over again. It was so good though. Really, really great movie. Now, Dollar Tree has LeBron James poster. They also have Demon Slayer. If you guys are into soccer, they have Messi. Ooh. They also have K-pop Demon Hunters. My youngest daughter, she would absolutely love this. Pokemon. Ooh, child, Pikachu, I see you. And this what did it all for me. The Spider-Man with all the tea. Honey, this poster is cute. They also have Wicked for Good. Now, if you guys are into Corn, you remember the group Corn? Honey, they sure got the poster here. This is an oldie but goodie. Honey, they have Superwoman. It is the snacks for me. Did you guys see this? This is Snyder's The Rounds. Oh, yes. Now, these are milk chocolate covered pretzel bites. Oh, yes. Get into it, girls. $1.25. Now, it's much more where that came from when they bringing in a peanut butter graham cookie bites. Now, mini peanut butter graham sandwich cookies, milk chocolate. Okay, you see where I'm going with this? They also have the hot honey cashews, kettle cooked, $1.25. You know, they ain't doing nothing but just showing all the way out. The Pepper Ridge Farm, the mini nut tucket, okay? Dark chocolate cookies, minis that is. Pretzel crisp, garlic parm. Ooh, deli, honey, they said deli style. Not just any kind, deli style. Rethink your pretzels, $1.25. Guys are looking for, if you got have a sweet tooth, Dollar Tree have the Pillars, Peelable Orange, gummy candy. Ooh, child, honey, I can spot a newbie. Now, remember these back in the day? I used to like this, the Circus Peanuts. I liked those as a kid. $1.25. Ooh, child, what about the Blue Raspberry Lemonade Swedish Fish? Child, it's the coconut oil for me. Oh, yes. This is 100% pure refined coconut oil at Dollar Tree. Yes, $3.75. Okay, so Dollar Tree has the Wicked cereal. This is a family size caramel apple. Honey, what cereal is this supposed to be? Is this supposed to be like Pop or something? I think, oh yeah, Pop, Corn Pops. Honey, they food size, $1.25. Have you guys tried these before, Critters? All right, the cheese and caramel mix. These are $1.25. New treats at Dollar Tree. Crispy rice treats, home style. No high fructose corn syrup, no artificial flavor colors. These are $1.50. Now you get 8 individually wrapped bars. These are from JJ's Bakery. Honey, it's the Bulldog for me. Now, if you guys like Bulldog, Dollar Tree is definitely in a place to be. These are $1.25. This is a no for me, okay? Now, these, they taste spicy. I mean, if your heat tolerance, if you can't stand hot sauce, this ain't for you, okay? Now, good but very spicy, $1.25. Did you guys see the new hand sanitizers? Did you catch it? Dollar Tree has the Lotus Blossom Scented, $1.25. Now, they have a few different ones. Let us know in the comment section which one is your favorite. The Brazilian Caramel Scented. Now, we know this is really the doopity-doop of the soul day. Come on, Dollar Tree. Cucumber Mint. These are more so summer scents. And Watermelon Scented. Hello. Those four, mine's definitely would have to be the Watermelon Scented. Did you know that Dollar Tree is selling Anthropology dupes? Yes, I said Anthropology dupes. Check this out. Now, looky cookie. So, the Bermuda Blue Citrus, I knew my eye was not deceiving me. Honey, when I tell you, nor my nose, these smell so amazing. These are the fragrance boosters, long lasting. Dollar Tree, of course, some of you guys may know, they have a whole line of this stuff. They have the fabric softener dryer sheets 40. They also have the N-Wash scent boosters. And some of you guys may be like, what's the difference? Well, this one says long lasting freshness. This is a 3-pack with essential oils, $1.50. They also have the Bermuda Blue Citrus, which is $1.50 as well. But I told you guys about the best brow pencil at Dollar Tree is, dun, 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 dun. It is this, the Marie Claire, okay? This is the dual-ended precise brow pencil. I love this, and they just brought them back in. Okay, child, if you see these, pick you up a few, $1.25. If you guys are looking for something to put in Easter baskets, if you have like little girls or so, how cute are these? These are the Beauty Impressions roll-on lip oil. This hydrates, nourish, shines, and smile. Right? Now, this one is soothing formula with aloe vera, anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Oh yes, helps heal and soothe sun-exposed damaged lips. Now, they have this one, and then they also have the collagen. Which one would you guys purchase? Would you get the soothing formula, or would you get the lip plumping formula with the collagen? Let us know in the comment section, honey.